So if you have dry skin with acne, pimples, or blemishes, this scrub is for you. Because you can have dry skin and also have acne or pimples or blemishes or uneven skin tone on top of the dry skin, right? So this scrub is for you people. So welcome back to my channel. It's been long that I post video in this channel. I've been very busy, but then thank God we are back. So I'm starting with sunflower oil. The reason why I'm using sunflower oil is because it doesn't clog pores. And remember, the scrub is for those that are dealing with acne, blemishes, or pimples on their face. And then on top of it, they have dry skin. So we are using sunflower oil rather. So all the measurements will be on the screen, so just keep calm and watch. So the reason why I'm making this scrub is because I had a client that have a dry skin and she have issues of acne and pimples all over her face and her body. So she told me that scrub make her skin more drier. Like whenever she scrub, her skin get more drier and it doesn't do a thing. So I told her the reason why you're having this issue is because you do not get the right scrub for your skin. Because scrub that can work for oily skin cannot work for dry skin person. So I made a scrub and gave her. She was so happy about it. And then I decided, let me show you how to do it here in my channel. So that is sunflower oil right there. Remember, you do not need oil that will clog your customer's skin or your skin. And then I go in with vegetable glycerin to kind of add moisture, because we are adding some ingredients that will require moisture. Like we need all the moisture we can get. So I added propylene glycol again to help the penetration like go deep. And then that's for the wet ingredients I believe I put in the beaker. And then here for my exfoliant, I used sugar and then salicylic acid. Yes, salicylic acid. The salicylic acid there will help to unclog her pores and clean them, and then kill acne causing bacteria, kill active pimples, dry them, and then exfoliate. Like the sugar will exfoliate, remove the dead skin cells, any residue of dead skin cell or acne or whatever will be removed by this combination. So it's a powerful combination that I decided to make, and trust me, it works like magic. So that is it. I combine both wet ingredients and dry ingredients, and this is my blue mica color, mica powder. So to just add life to the scrub, just like my hand gloves, I like the blue mica powder. It's cool. So that's it. Like I said, this scrub will help to exfoliate. It's simple to make, as you can see. It's simple. The reason why I did not add anything like maybe shower gel or any surfactant is because we are dealing with dry skin. Okay, we are dealing with dry skin. We need all the moisture, and then there's salicylic acid in there. It's drying also, so you don't need any surfactant, because you are expected to use this scrub before you take your bath. When you're in your bath, you scrub. After you finish, then rinse it off with your bathing soap or shower gel. Go with it and then rinse everything. And trust me, it will not leave that kind of like maybe oily feeling or something, because the sunflower oil there is light, like it's light oil. So you have no problem with this. Just try this if you are dealing with dry skin, and then also you are dealing with some kind of acne or pimples. So I go in with honey, that is about 15 ml of honey, because 1 tablespoon, to help draw in the moisture. Like all the moisture we can get, we need it, right? So that is it. And then I decided to add some lavender essential oil to give it that nice scent. We are not adding any fragrance here because of the acne and pimples. So if you are not dealing with acne and pimples, you just only have dry skin, and then you are skeptical about using scrub, you can make this scrub, but then skip the salicylic acid. Yeah, you can just make it and then do not use salicylic acid, because you don't have any issue on your skin. So do this, you will enjoy it, okay? Even after you finish scrubbing, your skin will not feel dry. Like it will not dry your skin, because the oil there is there to protect from drying your skin. You get. So that is preservative that I put. I don't even need to put preservative, but then it is what it is. Going to the bath and then it will be getting in contact with water. So that's why we use preservative. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We do a lot of helpful DIY skincare products in this channel. So look how beautiful this is. I love the color. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, like I said, to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then see you in my next video. Bye.